Here we have the new Arctic cooler, Freezer 34 eSports Duo, black and gray version, with a height of 157 millimeters. It has 4 heat pipes, and it comes with 2 Bionics P120 4-pin fans with PWM, which means that you can control the speed of the fans from 200 to 2100 RPM, and you can synchronize them with the help of PSD connection. It comes with 2 screws, 4 thumb nuts, 12 standoffs, but we use 4 standoffs. The rest are for different sockets and we do not need them. We have the backplate, 2 mounting clips, and 4 spacers for the motherboard, but I already have 8 of them on each side of the motherboard from a different cooler that came with some missing parts. I've sent it back, so I got this new and better cooler. And it comes with almost 1 gram of thermal paste, which is Arctic MX4. It is a good thermal paste and is definitely enough for one application. We also have the QR code that gets us to the manual on how to install it, which is very helpful. Now we will attach the mounting clips to the cooler with the help of the screws. Here we are taking off the Intel stock cooler, unplug the fan, rotate the 4 plastic standoffs, and we have to pull them. Then we rotate the case, so we have to be careful. We have to use one hand to keep the cooler and the other hand to push the plastic clips, and that's it. And now we have to position the backplate, keep it with one hand, and with the other hand we screw the standoffs. Make sure that you're using the right standoffs and not the wrong ones like me. Yeah, I used the wrong ones and I placed the cooler there with the paste on, and I had to get it off and change the standoffs. A little mess, but it worked after all. Of course, I was able to clean the old thermal paste with the help of my first love, Mona. And now we have to deal with the thermal paste. As you can see, they recommend to put it in 4 lines directly on the cooler, not on the processor. So we will do that. I mean, I will do my best to get it right. As you can see, it's a masterpiece. Now we have the thermal paste on the cooler, and we have to be careful when we try to position it. And I will start with the top left corner. I put the thumb nut there, and after that the bottom right, and so on. We have to attach the fan back and make sure you position the metal clips directly in the holes. I'm getting rid of the other metal clips because I will use the other fan as the exhaust in the back of the case, and the one that I have it there already, I will move it on the top. If we take a look, we can see that in my PC case it fits perfect. I mean, there is enough space between the cooler and the graphics card, and the RAMs are not that close. So here we have the thermals. On the stock cooler we can see on the minimum is like 27 and the maximum it's 82 degrees. While the Freezer eSports 34 stays in idle with 23 degrees and with a maximum of 62 degrees, but that 62, it's just a spike. It always stays under 60 degrees. And this is the first time when I do a video like this, also the first time when I bought and installed the cooler. So I hope that this was helpful and you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Okay, so I really have to show you this. I just got a new fan, a P14 PWM PST, and man, it's amazing. I mean, look at this new degrees. And as you can see, the CPU fan speed is at standard, not in silent mode, but really those are some good degrees. I couldn't just end the video without this bonus part.